Well, hi there, ho there, hey there, yo. What up? Stealing other YouTubers' lines today for the intro. Why not? I'm Sonic Moto, and you guys can now see me. I think you can. You're definitely crooked. I know you are absolutely crooked. I've got a ball mount for the GoPro that I want to order. That's like the swivel ball joint dealio, and that'll fix everything. But I figured I'd put on the camera because there's something wrong with my final drive. It's not the best thing in the world, and it's not all that happy, so I figure I might as well record if I go down, you know. Have two camera angles. So you're probably wondering, Sonic, what's wrong with your bike? The beautiful 919 2007 Hornet. I'm not sure. Something with the final drive. When I had the bike on the stand, on the rear stand with the rear wheel lifted, it was just jumping all around, all over the front sprocket. And my tension is set right. My chain is perfectly aligned. I've got a tool that helps me do that really easily. So tension and alignment, all good. Those are the two things that I would sort of expect for a jumpy chain. But I've got some, I think like Sunstar sprockets and an RK Racing chain. I'll include the description and information in the description. You know how that goes, right? But yeah, since my chain swap, it's been... There was a noise yesterday. I don't know if there's still a noise. I don't really hear anything odd right now. But I'm just hoping that my chain doesn't pop off and grind and do something odd and stupid and throw me off a bike. That's the last thing I want. Make sure you guys are securely mounted in your seated location, being that this is a new mount, and I'll probably have to do some post-operative care to make the angles a little bit better so that you're not crooked, because right now that's like level, and that is absolutely not level. You're looking off to the side, I'm like over here, you know, just not really ideal. Work that I want to do still. Install a Power Commander 3 on this bike. I finally got one. Scored an eBay deal for a brand new one, and it was about $75 to $100 off, and I knew that I couldn't beat that deal anywhere else, so just went with it. Just sent it. Right through the red? Yeah, I was gonna say, are you going through the red too? Please don't. So you're probably wondering what the camera setup is, even though it's not finalized. I will be using these two cameras. I got the GoPro Hero 4 Silver on my helmet. I'm loving it. Actually, the color and the clarity are so nice on it. But the GoPro Hero 3 is better at short throw focus, so things close up like me rather than out in a distance. In fact, I think most GoPros are like that, to be honest, but I figured why not use it? I've got 3 GoPros now, honestly. Might as well use 2 of the 3. For the longest time, I didn't want to use a second GoPro because that means syncing 2 video files, swapping batteries on this one now, and quite honestly, it's a lot more editing in the synchronizing of the files, especially when they make their own files, like these split up their files after a while. It's so odd. So odd. I don't know why. Oh, I know why it does it, but I don't feel like explaining to you guys why it does it because it's very overly complicated, but it's something to do with the file structure. Is it complicated for you enough? I think it is. Speak Motovlogs did a how to improve your YouTube videos or your motovlogs, or vlogs in general, but focused on motovlogs. And this is one of the tips he gave. Again, it's been something I've been wanting to do, just didn't really want to do it at the same time, you know. But it's always been, you've seen the road in front of me, the bike, maybe some Instagram photos, selfies, and the whatnot, but you never really see me through YouTube, so nobody knows what Sonic Moto looks like until now. Hey! I feel like I should probably go with an ultra-wide angle of view. We'll see how well this thing cuts off what's in view and what's not in view, and we'll go from there, but, you know, I figure for now, it's probably okay-ish. And I don't honestly know if this is going to be a vlog that will be published. It depends on if this camera is properly aimed. If it's cutting me off halfway, there's nothing I can do to salvage that media anyway, to put me into frame, and so well, it's honestly going to be just that's what it'll be, right? It is a nice, gorgeous, wonderful day outside, though. I feel like an announcer, a radio announcer. I love gorgeous, warm, sunny days. I think it's like 75, almost 80, sunny skies. No chance of rain right now. I love it. 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 That kid was all impressed. He said, "Wow."